In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your camera in Zoom on laptop. If you're already inside a Zoom meeting and you want to quickly stop sharing your video, the process is very simple. This is useful if you need a moment of privacy, want to reduce distractions, or just prefer to stay off camera during part of the meeting. To begin, look at the bottom left corner of your Zoom meeting window. You'll see a camera icon with the label video. This button controls whether your camera is on or off. If your camera is currently on, just click that camera icon once to turn it off. As soon as you do, Zoom will disable your video feed. You'll know it worked when you see a red slash across the camera icon. That red line is Zoom's visual confirmation that your camera has been turned off. Once that symbol appears, other people in the meeting will no longer be able to see your live video. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts instead of clicking with your mouse, there's also a faster option. On your keyboard, press Alt and V at the same time. This shortcut toggles your camera on and off in Zoom. So if your camera is on, pressing Alt plus V will turn it off. If it's already off, the same shortcut will turn it back on. This can be especially helpful during meetings when you want to make a quick change without moving your cursor around the screen. It's a simple shortcut, but it can save time and make Zoom a little easier to use, especially if you join meetings often. One helpful thing to remember is to always check the camera icon after making the change. If you see the red slash, your video is off. If there's no red slash, your camera is still on. That quick visual check can help you avoid accidentally staying on camera when you didn't mean to. And that's all there is to it. Turning off your camera in Zoom on a laptop is as easy as clicking the video icon in the bottom left corner or pressing Alt plus V on your keyboard to toggle it on or off. Once you know where that control is, it only takes a second to manage your camera during any meeting.